Okay, so we've got sine 2x plus cos of 90 minus 2x, and we've got to express it in a single trig function. Well, sine 2x is obviously sine 2x, and plus, and this bit here is actually, I'll just hopefully show it here, that's a right angle. I suppose that's 2x there. This angle here is obviously 90 minus 2x. And if we work out cos of 90 minus 2x, cos is the adjacent, which is this side here, divided by the hypotenuse. So it is this side here, the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. But sine of 2x, because 2x is up here, sine of 2x is the opposite over the hypotenuse, but the opposite is this one here. So it's the same thing, because it would be the yellow one over the hypotenuse. And so cos of 90 minus something is always the same as sine of that. So that is also sine 2x. And now I've got two of them, so I've got two sine 2x's. Hence, or otherwise, well, if it says hence, I would normally do it hence, because it's normally the easiest way, between 0 and 360 inclusive, where just check this. That is exactly the same as written here, so I don't need to write that. I can just write 2 sine 2x. So for part B, 2 sine 2x equals -1. Divide both sides by 2, so sine 2x equals -1/2. Inverse sine both sides. I always like writing this down to remind myself I need to put down all the solutions when I'm doing it. And that says that 2x equals minus 30 degrees or 180 minus 30. And each of those repeats every 360 n degrees. And I'll show you that once I've got the answer. I will explain why it works like this again. Anyhow, divide both sides by 2, so x equals minus 15 plus 180 n degrees, or that's 210, so divide that by 2 is 105 degrees plus 360 n degrees, and now we get x equals, that's not minus 15, that's not in the range, so I have to come across here. The first one I've got is 105 degrees, or back over to here, if n's 1 is 180 minus 15, which is 165 degrees, or I forgot to divide this by 2, that's 180 n degrees, so that's 285 degrees. Yeah, it's a tough one talking. Or finally, 360 take away 15 is 345 degrees. That's it. Just explain why you get this bit here. Unit circle, like so. Sine, as we know, sine is the one here. Okay, up, because the vertical line reminds me of the vertical eye. It's -1/2, so -1/2 is here. And so I can either get this value here, which is minus 30 degrees, or I could get this one here. But if that's 30 degrees, or that's minus 30, it's the same as being 30 degrees. And so for that bit, well, there will be 30 degrees. And so this angle here will be 180 plus that 30, and 180 plus 30 is exactly the same as 180 minus -30. And so that's it. Sorry about forgetting to divide by 2 here, but it's done.